Myself, Sindhu and John, Director of Sinro Robotics. We are ISO and QC approved company focusing mainly on the development of STEAM education for students and internship programs for the graduates in latest technologies. Our vision is to make the students capable enough to think by themselves and implement their innovative ideas for the benefit of society. With the aim of this, we are conducting our STEAM education with the help of robotics, coding and space education. We also offer Atal Tinkering Lab support in schools to imprint skills in young mind. With our experiential learning, students can attain creativity, logical and problem-solving skill and understand the concepts taught in the school with ease rather than depending upon examination and rote learning methods. Various kits that are being used are Kairav, covering almost 50 plus robotic activities, Dhruva, a programmable companion for kids, REC, which is a combination of 3-in-1, that is robotics, electronics and coding, STEM kit covering almost 7 activities for smaller kids, Drawn, in which the 3D printed parts are being assembled and programmed to get a real working model, RBox, which helps to get familiar in the field of electronics. We have developed a dynamic dashboard in which live classes, individual students monitoring, assessments and reward systems are embedded to engage and retain the interest of students. Sinro e-learning app is our special attraction, which includes video lessons, assessments, feeds and gamifications. The kids can access the robotic kit videos according to their grade, space lessons and coding projects on.